Hello everyone. I painted this playset to make it a custom Ewok Village extension. And it's from the Zootopia movie. And I have the box here for a comparison. Let's check that out. The rainforest playset. I was not a big fan of the neon blue plastic. For me, it just didn't go with the Ewoks. Now, in general, with 90s toys even like G.I. Joe, the fluorescent plastic didn't bother me. However, in this case, trying to make this an indoor forest, the fluorescent blue was not doing it for me with the Ewoks. So I decided to paint the blue, and the leaves were very shiny on top. So I went with gloss on the brown that I used. With the sienna color I had, the tan, I did not use gloss. So I just tried to mix and match. I did put the stickers on. I don't know if that was a great idea. I could have gone without the stickers. Anyways, it has this play feature too. I'll show you the back as well. Whoa, wait a second. Is that a Force ghost of Yoda? So what happens here is you close the door and then you have light up eyes or glowing eyes or something, or lights. And then when you open the door, that's not Yoda. That was R2-D2. I must have been seeing things. R2, what are you doing in there? So, you turn the top here, and you crank it up. And then when you close the door, the lights come on. And then the character changes. So the pegs work well with vintage Kenner figures. Really nice foot pegs in there. Modern Hasbro figures don't work so well with those pegs. They're a little bit too big. You can use this playset for so many different toy lines out there, vintage and new. How to Train Your Dragon might be fun. What else do I have? Flash Gordon. Endless possibilities. And a quick look here. This was the Black Panther that came with the toy set. And I guess he has Savage mode or something. So you're supposed to put him in this little grass hut. Honestly, the foot pegs are a little bit difficult, and getting him in there is not fun. I found it easier to put in R2-D2. So short figures work better, that's for sure. Darth Vader would not fit in there. I did try. And a look at the back here. So you have this little balcony here. We can place the baby Ewok here. Nice little fit. He has his own private door. I think it's a he. Or, the basket still works. For the baby Ewok. A quick look at the paints I used. I just picked up one at Staples here. And this other one was at Walmart. I checked Target. I got some gloss. So I did 2 coats in one place. I did 3 coats in another. I spread it with gloss on the dark brown. Left the tan alone. And I have no experience really with custom playsets. I probably should have used a primer on this playset. And I maybe should have ordered different paints. And maybe next time I will try a different brand of paints. And if it's a playset, maybe I will do spray primer or something like that in advance. Not sure, it's a learning experience for me. Let's check it out with Kenner Ewoks one more time. So is this a training ground for warriors in the Ewok village? Or is it Wicked's party hut? You decide.